ಸಂಸಾರದಾವಾನಲನಿಂದಲೂಕ ಪ್ರಣಯಕಾರುಣ್ಯಘನ ಘನತ್ವಂ ಪ್ರಾಪ್ತಸ್ಯ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಗುಣಾರ್ಣವಸ್ಯಂ ವಂದೇ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀಚರಣರವಿಂದಂ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭು ಕೀರ್ತನೃತ್ಯ ಗೀತಾಂ ವಾದಿತ್ರಮಾರ್ಚಾನ್ ಮನಸೂರಸೇನಂ रोमाञ्चकाम्पाश्रुतरङ्गभाजो वन्दे गुरुं श्रीचरणरविन्दम् चतुर्विधाश्रीं भगवत्प्रसादं स्वादन्नतृप्तं हरिभाग्यसङ्गं कृत्वैव तृप्तिं भजत सदैवं वन्दे गुरुं श्रीचरणरविन्दम् श्रीविग्रहाराधननित्यनानं शृङ्गारतन्मन्दिरमार्जनादौ युक्तस्य भक्तांश्च नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् श्रीराधिका माधवयोरपायो माधुर्यलीला गुणरूपनाम्ना प्रतीक्षणास्वादनलोलुपस्यं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् Jiva is so much conditioned to this network of this mind and intelligence, all this. So anything to do with Jiva has to go through this circuit, this mind, this intelligence, which is so rooted in do's and don'ts, yes and no, okay, not okay, this is acceptable, this is not acceptable, so tightly fixed. The mind and intelligence do's, this is acceptable, this is not acceptable, this can happen, but this cannot happen. Like that, the mind and intelligence is tightly fixed. Any little bit of hilte to, and then the jiva gets bewildered. Whoa, this is what is supposed to happen. Why this is happening? It just gets bewildered. So the very tight network of mind and intelligence, that is conditioning. Very tight network. To go through that network, jiva, it is difficult. That's why so much of offense and defense mechanism kicks in. When something changes, a little bit changes in the settings of mind and intelligence that was already done, offense and defense mechanism kicks in. When that mechanism kicks in, how can jiva understand Bhagavan, who is unconditional? Yeah, that's why Guru Tattva comes in. To just liberate the jiva from this conditioning, the offense defense mechanism, to just let it free. I submit to you. No more conditioning. No more conditioning. I want to operate beyond conditioning. Then one has to just simply look for seva. What is my service to you now, Guru and Krishna? Everything else operates within the realm of condition. Only the seva. Okay, how can I serve you now? How can I serve you now? You are Krishna's. How can I serve you now? That's the only thing that can get the jiva out of this conditioning. The tightness of this mind, intelligence and everything. The whole thing can simply be overcome just with one factor, Krishna factor. No other factor can overcome this tight mind, intelligence, conditioning setting. We can't even understand Bhagavan. All we can say is, you are Krishna's. This is Krishna's. Period. liberated from this tight mind and intelligence settings. There is no way we can go through these settings of mind and intelligence which are very tightly controlled. We can't operate those. We can only say, okay, you are all Krishnas. You are Krishnas. Everything is Krishna. And then, yes, Bhagavan Krishna, how can I serve you now? So, vikalpena yogena yujyate na atra samshayaha. Beyond doubt, one will submit to me. Of course, yes, Bhagavan. Unless the jiva sees everything as Krishna's, everything as Krishnamayam, and jiva cannot be liberated. It cannot even function. It cannot get beyond duality. There's only one factor that can get jiva beyond duality. That's Krishna factor, Krishna. So avikalpena yogena yujyate na atra samshaya. When this as open secret, when this secret is revealed by Bhagavan himself, that's why I've come to you to teach the ways of Sharanagati. There is no other way you can get through it. Not only I told you the secret, but I'll teach you. I'll teach you now how to do that Sharanagati. That's Gaurachandra. And that is being taught by Gaura Priyajana. Okay, Bhagavan has come to teach the ways of Sharanagati. This is how you understand. Yeah, that he is your maintainer, he is your protector. He will protect you. He will maintain you. And remember, he is your best friend. So somebody has to teach, this is Bhagavan. So no worries, no anxiety. That's Gaura Priyajana. That's Sri Guru explaining. How can Jiva go through this tight settings without Gaurachandra coming? Bhagavan is coming as Gaurachandra and Gaurachandra's ways of Sharanagati being explained by Gaura Priyajana. So vikalpena yogena yujyatena atra samshaya to Bhagavata will happen, knowing that it is the Bhagavata that is coming to rescue, to explain everything. So Sadhguru is like an auspicious cloud, giving us a Krishna. And he's always engaged in the loving service of Bhagavan. Bhagavan in the Nama, Bhagavan in Sri Vigraha, Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities. He is in Krishna Samsara. Guru is always with Krishna, in loving service to Krishna. And every moment he's relishing the loving reciprocations with Krishna. When we are relishing loving reciprocation with our Sri Guru who is giving us Krishna, and then that's how we get the access to relish reciprocation, loving reciprocation with Bhagavan. Nikunjayo no mratkeli setai ayali bir yukti rapikshani tatrati daksha tativallabhasya Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Sakshatharitvenam samasta shastra yuktastada bhavyatena sadbhim Kintu prabhuya priyaiva tasyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Yasya prasadam bhagavat prasadam Yasya prasado nagati kutopi Dhyayam tu vam tasya yasya trisandhyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Shri Guru is Radhika Priya Sakhi Krishna Kripa Shri Murti. We are not orphans, we are not anathas but sanathas. And we always have this loving causeless mercy of Guru Tattva that is inbuilt, that is always with us. It's only a matter of perceiving, I have this loving, causeless mercy with me. I am not Anatha, I am Sanatha. Shri Guru Pyo Namah. Shri Guru Charana Padmam Kevala Bhakati Sadmam Bandamoye Savadhana Mate Jahara Prasade Bhai Bhavatoriya Jahan Krishna Prapti Hoi Jahan Hoite Gurumukha Padma Vakyam Chittete Koriya Ikyam Arana Koriho Mani Asham Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Uttama Gati जय प्रसादे पूरे सर्व आशा चक्षुदान दिलो जय जन्म जन्म प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित प्रेम भक्ति जहा होते विद्या विनाशा जाते वेद गाया हर चरित श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु आधम जनार बंधु लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवाना आह प्रभु कोरो दया देह मोरे पादचयम ए बिजाश कुशु त्रिभुवाना श्रील प्रभुपाद पतित पावाना गुरुदेव होइलो शरणा जय प्रभुपदं जय प्रभुपदं जय प्रभुपदं श्रील प्रभुपदं जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवं जय गुरुदेवा very difficult to know Bhagavan in Tattva. When do we know that we knew Bhagavan in Tattva? Only when we submit. Hey Bhagavan, yes, I submit to you. So avikalpena yogena. I submit to you. So Shri Guru, who gives us Bhagavan. When the words of Shri Guru, the Vani of Shri Guru, the Vani of the Acharya, or the lovers of Bhagavan. Yeah, that's the key. We cannot know Bhagavan anyway. But the lovers of Bhagavan, when they speak, when their Vani is in my chitta, this is something I can understand a little bit. Okay. Their Vani in my chitta, the Vani of the Acharyas, the lovers of God. And when it blends in my chitta and the instruction of Sri Guru becomes one in my chitta, then beyond doubt, so vikalpena yogena, bhakti yogena, prema yogena, yujyate na atra samshaya. That's the potency of the Vani of the Acharyas. Not just submit to Bhagavan in great love, and their Vani makes us do that. So yes, that's how Chakshudan Diloche. That's how the Jiva not only gets enlightened from within, but is given love for Bhagavan. That's why the Vedas extol the glories of Sri Guru. Sri Guru Pyo Namaha. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyevacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. All the Vaishnavas are like desire fulfilling trees. They are dear to Bhagavan. Taking the dust from the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. When can that happen? When there is love for Bhagavan. Vaishnavera padaduli, tahe mora snana keli, tarpan mora Vaishnavera nama, dhana mora nityananda, pati mora gaura chandra, prana mora युगलकिशोरम् वृन्दाय तुलसीदेव्याय प्रियाय केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिप्रदे देवी सत्यवते नमो नमः. The groves of Vrindavan, the land of divine love. Mm. The Gaura Priyajana brings us here, so we don't have to think much. We just submit to them, we just love them, and they bring us here. That's all. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namah. Radha Krishna Seva Pao Ei Abhilashi. એ તો મારા શરણાલય તારા વાંછા પૂર્ણ હોય કૃપા કોરી કોરો તારે વૃંદાવન વાસી મોરે અભિલાષ વિલાસ કુંજ દિયો વાસ નયને હરિભો સદન યુગલ રૂપ રાસી એ નિવેદન ધારો સખીરનુગત કરો સેવાધિકારો દિયમ કરો નિજ દાસી દીના કૃષ્ણ દાસે હોય એયે મોરા હોય શ્રી રાધા ગોવિંદ પ્રેમ સદા બાસી The Gaura Priyajana, Shri Guru, they say, you belong to the groves of Vrindavana, you belong to this land of divine love. You are Krishna's, I place you here, you engage in the loving service of Krishna. That's it. That's all I needed. Yani kani cha papani brahmahatirikani cha tani tani pranasyanti pradakshina pade pade.